What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, today is finally the day. I've been talking about it for a while and I've been waiting for it for even longer. If you guys know me, then I've definitely wanted a new Jeep for a long time. I wanted one before I bought the TJ, but it just wasn't in the funds and wasn't in the cards, so I bought the TJ and we rocked that for a while. Now, the new Jeep is not a replacement for the TJ. The TJ will still be going off-road. We will still be doing mods. We'll still be breaking it. Hopefully not as much. But definitely the TJ sticking around for now. And the new Jeep is an addition. And I'm not going to say exactly what it is just yet. I'll let you guys kind of guess. I'm sure most of you guys that have watched my videos or have been following the channel already know what I got. But yeah, we're about to get there right now. We're about 2 minutes away from the dealership. And yeah, I was told that it's ready. I made a custom order back in May, and it took exactly 2 months for it to get delivered. So it took from May 11th to July 11th to get built and delivered. So that's really quick in this time because a lot of things are getting delayed, a lot of things aren't getting built, a lot of things are just not happening. So I'm super stoked, I'm super happy, and there's the dealership. So we're gonna pull in right now. I think I got a little bit of paperwork to do, and I'll grab the keys and show you guys what we got.
Right there on the right.
So guys, we got the keys. Thank you to Constantine for helping me out.
We didn't wait too long.
If you guys need a new Jeep, definitely come check out Constantine at Ontario Chrysler here in Mississauga. But we've got the new Jeep right in front of me now, and I'll show you guys in a minute, but first let's go for a drive. And yes, we are in the new Jeep, and I'm sure you guys can already tell it is a Gladiator and it is blue, as you guys can already tell. The reason I didn't do a walk around on the outside just yet is they were closing the dealership right now. They were literally about to leave and we had to get out of the gate, so I didn't want to hold them up. Yeah, so we got the Jeep, we got the Gladiator. She is a Rubicon, as you can see by the seats and the dash. 17 kilometers on the odometer, so fresh, brand new and fresh. And no, I am not rich. We are still financing this thing. We did put down probably about 1/3 of the purchase price, so paid off a little bit of it, but we are financing it, so we're not rich out here. But definitely we did get a good spec. I will go over exactly what spec and what options I got on this thing in a later video. Today we're just gonna enjoy it and let it sink in, because this has been my dream vehicle for the past 2-3 years since they came out, and I still don't really believe this is mine. So let's enjoy it a little bit. Let's go for a drive, and yeah, let's just let it sink in for a minute. Okay, let's hop out and take a look. And I will go over the full spec eventually, or in a video coming up soon. But one thing I want to show you guys that I just noticed is really cool. If you guys get the Gorilla Glass, you can get Corning Gorilla Glass just like in your phone as your windshield. And if you get that from the factory, it comes with a pretty cool little logo there. You get the little ape in the corner. I'll see if I can show you guys from outside a little bit better. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to see with the reflection, but I think that's a cool little Easter egg that they threw in there. And here she is. And there she is, my 2022 Gladiator Rubicon. And looks like there's a little bit of rust or grease, yeah, rust prevention leaking out right there. Nice, I'm gonna have to clean that up. But yeah, that's just life right there. Brand new Jeep and you gotta clean grease off of it. But this thing is gorgeous, and honestly, I love this color. I wanted a nice bright color, and this was honestly my favorite option, so that's why I got it. And I was about to go with the Gobi. The Gobi is a great option. I really like that color, but I feel like this one just kind of stands out a little bit more, and I'm a little bit more drawn to it. And we did get hard tonneau cover, we have the trailer package, we have the plug in the bed. We got all the options pretty much, but we'll go over that in another date. Right now, let's just let it sink in and enjoy that we actually made it here. I never thought that I would be here this soon. I've always wanted one of these, and now we got one. So definitely, I will enjoy it. And the plan for this one is, like I said, not to replace the TJ. The Gladiator here will be basically taking place of an adventure rig. So I will be taking this off-roading, I will be taking this camping, I will be taking it on road trips, we'll be taking it all over and just going on different adventures, and I'll be bringing you guys along with me. So if you guys have any suggestions of stuff you guys want to see, definitely let me know in the comments section. But we will still be going off-road with this. We are still going to be using it. It is a Jeep. We bought the Rubicon for a reason. Now we have lockers, we have a disconnecting sway bar, and we're ready to go. We're ready to hit the trails. I will be doing a few mods soon. I already have some parts at home. I know. The mods will start soon, definitely. But I am going to enjoy it in its stock form, sort of, for a bit. I'm not going to be throwing on bigger tires just yet. I will be throwing them on soon. We will be doing a lift and tires and all of that good stuff. But why not enjoy it as it is? We worked this hard to get here, so why not enjoy the fruits of our labor and actually go and just see how they built it and enjoy it. Because if you guys don't know, I have a 20-year-old TJ at home, which I off-road and beat the crap out of. And yeah, we have a great time with that thing. But let's see exactly what it's like from the factory before we start doing mods, and let's enjoy it a bit. Now, tomorrow is Saturday, and I am planning to drive up to Algonquin Park. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a provincial park here in Canada. We've got a lot of different provincial parks. This is one in Ontario, where I live, and we're gonna be going basically hiking, canoeing, and just enjoying the day, maybe do some grilling, and we're gonna be taking this thing so that we can break in the engine. And if you guys don't know, the break-in procedure on one of these is usually around 300 miles or 500 kilometers. And what you want to do is basically just drive it at a varied speed, and every now and then you want to go at a full throttle acceleration where permitted. So basically we're going to go for a nice long drive. I think we've got around 600 or 700 kilometers ahead of us, so we're definitely going to break it in. And we're gonna go enjoy some nice hikes, enjoy some canoeing, and just take the Jeep and break it in. And I'll let you guys know my thoughts of my first drive or long drive with it. But just my initial thoughts right now are the Jeep is great. It drives awesome, way better than I actually thought that it did, because I've test drove them a few times, but you don't actually get to drive it for that long. So honestly, it drives amazing. I'm super happy with it. I'm super stoked with my purchase. I can't wait to actually start going and enjoying this thing, and hopefully you guys will be there with me. So this is a shorter video. This is just basically a video to show you guys we picked up the new Jeep. It's here, it's ready, and tell you guys what I got. So let me know your thoughts, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys want to see any specific videos or any specific content with this Jeep. But definitely, I'm happy to finally get it. And now it's time to go for a drive and enjoy it. So thank you guys for coming along with me today. Thank you guys for sticking around. And hopefully, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys are new around here, jump down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It helps out the channel a ton. And like I said, see you guys in the next one. So until then, ride safe out there. Peace.